Hello and welcome to Yoga with Yovana. I am Yovana and today we have a practice for self-love, for when you need to take yourself out on a date, for when you need to acknowledge yourself. So wear something comfy. You're going to take it easy and lovely today. Grab yourself a mat or a towel and let's get We will begin today's practice in any comfortable seat of your choice. Ground yourself down on the mat. Maybe close your eyes and take a couple of breaths to bring your awareness to this present moment. And then gently open your eyes, straighten your back. We will begin by placing the left palm on the mat. We'll inhale, rise the right palm up and straight. Extend the right side, and then exhale, lower towards the left. See if you can open your chest a bit by bringing your left shoulder forward and open the chest towards the sky. And then we come back to center, switch the arms, right palm touches the mat, and left palm extends, and you bend to the right. Bring that right shoulder forward, open the chest. We bring it back to center and do one more time each side. Left palm touches the mat. Right one is overhead. Feel the stretch of the right side. And then gently bring it back to center and then over to the right. Continue to breathe, and if you notice that left hip wanting to come up, bring it down by easing off in the stretch. And then we come back to center. Place your feet together. We will do the butterfly pose. You can interlock your fingers underneath your feet and start flapping those wings up and down and breathe. And then we come back to stillness. We release our palms and you can gently massage your inner arches here. When was the last time you got a foot massage? Maybe even a little bit your ankles, just a gentle squeeze. Your toes. Awesome. Here we can cross the legs and find our way to tabletop position. Turn around on the mat. Your knees are under your hips and your palms under your shoulders. We will do a couple of cat-cows. Inhale to drop the belly, look forward, open your chest. Exhale to round the spine, tailbone draws in, and your nose towards the belly button. Continue in your own bed phase. My tongue got twisted. And then see where your body needs to move, so you can make a different movement. I call this a sexy cat. See what your body needs. Maybe it's the tight hips, maybe it's the sides. If nobody's watching, you can get wild. And then we come back to the center. So here we're going to stretch the right leg out first, and then maybe rock back and forth a little bit. to warm up our hamstrings, our ankles, and our calves. And then step it through to a low lunge. See if you need to adjust that knee to go a little bit back to deepen the stretch of your left hip. You are on your fingertips or on your palms as long as your back is straight. And then gently, I want you to come up, keep the same pose, and we will do small self-love practice of bathing ourselves in positive energy. So no matter if you're in the park like me or in your apartment, your house, your backyard, we will swipe the energy from the ground forward, up, take more energy from the sky, from the universe, and bring it down. So let's do this together. Take the energy from the ground, from the skies, positive, loving energy. Try not to fall like me. Don't close your eyes. Or you can if your stability is good. And then bring it all down. Feel that entering your body and nurturing you. One more time. We bring the energy up. And then we bring our palms down. We can release that foot that need to come to the mat. We do the same on the left side. Rock back and forth. And then gently bring that knee to the center. Let's stretch the hip first. Look forward, straighten your back. And then we find the footing, find the balance, center yourself. And we scoop that energy from the ground, from the skies, and bring it down to our body. 2 more times. Scoop, bring up, and bathe in self-love. One last time, scoop, and bring down to your body. Awesome. Place the palms, bring that knee down, and then gently find your way to the mat, to sit on the mat. Your feet is on the mat, your knees are bent, and what I want you to do here is to hug yourself. So bring your hands underneath your thighs. You can clasp your elbows or even above elbows, depends how tight you want to hug today. And then straighten your back and just stay here for a moment. Feel your body touching your thighs. Keep your arms here, and we will gently start to walk our feet forward as far as they go. You might be here as long as your back is straight, or you might be able to walk a little bit more today. You can loosen the grip of the hug here to create more space if you like. And then when you found that spot, which is your hugging limit today, you can stay here and just lower your head to the knees and relax. Awesome. Release the arms, gently roll up. And from here, we're gonna find our way to our bellies. Lower your belly to the ground. Your feet is pressed into the ground. Your palms are next to your shoulders. Your elbows are tucked in. And then we will inhale to rise up to cobra. And exhale to lower it down. Let's do this one more time. Inhale. And exhale to lower down. Bring your palms on the side of the mat and your fingertips. And we will do a King Cobra variation by our chest, opening our shoulders, looking up, and bring everything down. One more time. Inhale, chin comes up, curl the spine, engage your glutes, press firmly into the mat, and then bring everything down. Awesome. You can extend the left palm, the left arm on the mat. Right palm is next to your right shoulder, and we gently turn around, bring that foot back, and open our chest. You can keep that palm on the ground to support you. You can bring it behind. Let's stay here for a couple of moments. Listen to this beautiful chirping of the birds and the insects in the park. And then we gently bring that right palm down first. We bring the leg back and we come back to center. We do the same on the other side. Right arm is straight. We push with the left palm away. And we open shoulder on the other side. Awesome. We bring it back to center. That right arm is straight in front of you. And then we just roll back and find a way to lay down on the mat, on our backs. Here we will hug our knees into the chest first. Hug them tightly. And then give yourself a lower back massage by rocking side to side. I should have definitely called this video self-love and massage. Try and hold your knees and then make small circles. See how that feels on your lower back. And then change the side of the circles. It feels so yummy on my back. And then bring knees back to chest. Extend the left leg completely. Keep that right leg bent. And then take it to the left with your left palm. Look towards the right. You can extend the right palm on the right side. Feel the stretch of your right side, lower back. We inhale to come back to center. Hug the knees one more time. Extend the right leg. And then bring the left knee to the ground. Left hand is straight. You are gazing towards your left hand. And then we come back to center. Both legs are straight. Hands are next to your side, palms are facing up. See if you can find more comfortable position. Snuggle your shoulders. Maybe slightly tuck your chin. Your feet is falling out. We're in the final resting, loving pose, Shavasana. Take a moment here to reflect on your practice. Let it sink in. How much you needed this self-love today, and how did it make you feel? And you're welcome to come back to this practice anytime you feel that you need to hug yourself, that you need to spend time with yourself. Stay here for as long as you like. And if you are happy with this practice and you want to complete, bring your palms above your forehead, wrap them gently to create some heat. And then cup your eyes and calm your senses. Let yourself relax just a little bit more. Bring your palms together and thumbs on your third eye. We will take one last breath in together and exhale. Love out. Thank you for joining me for today's practice. I hope you enjoyed this little piece of self-love, and I hope to see you again. Namaste.